Filling those vending machines with my baby. Yeah, this is what we look like. I'm gonna let my son open it up. Remember, find the right key. If it don't turn in there, take it out. So we pretty much have 3 empty rows because that's just 1 honey bun in there. Turn it. Keep turning it. There you go. Open up the Coke part. Do the little things. Pull it out. Pull it out, baby. You're moving slow. We gotta hurry up, Clem. I wanna be done with this. So this is what it looks like right here. They really not doing the Cheetos. And then I do not remember what was in that empty spot, and I don't remember what was in that empty spot. That's the only thing. Now I'm just gonna have to figure out what to put in there.